Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Going to do the video walkthrough on this Sea Ray 250 SDX. Boat's on a lift. It's been lift kept its whole life. There is a trailer available for it if you need a trailer. It's not included on the price, but it's available. Got a Mercury 250 horsepower outboard engine, roughly 55 hours of use. As you can see, I've got the aft seat slid into the cockpit, which gives you good room here on the swim platform. There's a good amount of storage in the seat as well. Coming on board, you've got a shower. There's one up at the bow as well. Fresh water. You got a fusion stereo. There's your battery switch compartment. Coming in, you've got gray sea deck that snaps down throughout. And it's up on the cockpit where it's adhered down. Show you the seat here. I've got it facing aft. Obviously you can flip it back, grab this little lever over here, holding slides back and opens up your cockpit if you're boating. Access more room here. Large compartments underneath both. The front, obviously you can access this one with the seat back. If you slide the seat the other way, there's another large compartment there. You've got storage underneath here. Cockpit upholstery is in great shape. Boat is equipped with a tonneau and bow cover. Upgraded sound system, so you're going to have 6 speakers plus a sub. There's your subwoofer down there. When your speaker's there, you can tell the two-tone fabrics in great shape. Flip-flop seat at the helm with also bolster. Flip this up so you can take a look there. Digital throttle and shift. 12-inch display. Over here, I've got the chart plotter up. Scroll through and get your Mercury information. More maintenance, 50.5 hours. I'm calling it 55 on the listing. I'm sure the owner is going to continue to use it some. Fusion stereo. I mentioned the remote in the back. There's your display here. That's Bluetooth ready. Got a phone mounted up at the helm as well. Phone mount, magnetic phone mount. In that compartment is your head and storage in there. This boat is equipped with an optional head pump out, which will be there. So what I typically do is I pull up and get fuel, and while I'm getting fuel, I pump out the head and just keep that holding tank clean. LED lighting package, hard to see in this bright daylight, but sunshine is showing on the cushions. There in great shape. See any rips, tears, nicks, that kind of stuff. All in good shape. This bow seating area is obviously a fan favorite. Got a boarding ladder, another shower fixture there, bow boarding ladder so you can pull right up to the sandbar, get on and off the front of the boat with ease. Walk through door on the port side, plenty of cup holders, two-tone fabrics up here, sea deck flooring, center locker. Grab this. Bem top. Great sun protection. Really nice if you're trailering or storing in dry stack, where you can just pull these 2 pins back here and lay the top down to reduce your height and still fit into a normal boat slip. Coming back forward, this aft corner facing forward again. Nav light. Or excuse me, all around white light, part of your navigation light or your anchor light. onboard battery charger. That's the outlet there, so just plug it into regular 15 amp service and keep the batteries topped off. Guys, thanks for taking the time to take a look at this video. If you got any questions or like more information, the best way to reach me is my cell. It's 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. I'm Andy Farmer with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.